Okay, with these pandemics comes something very interesting. The infodemics. The acceleration of the information online and the news and the conversation and the phone calls we have and the community chitter-chatter that create fear, and that fear creates panic, and that panic creates things like panic buying, and we've seen lots of that going on. I'm just out and about right now, and I just drove past a Walmart, and it's something like 11:30 a.m. on a Monday. And it's absolutely stacked, so people are still going back to the well for even more goods, and let's stockpile what we need for the next, I don't know, 6 months or so. It's kind of exacerbated by the things like, you know, kids being at home for a long period of time, schools being shut, work being shut, and whatever. Yes, we have to prepare, and yes, we have to buy goods. But really, there's the panic buying, and it's caused by fear, and really the counterpoint to that as humans is that we don't like it when we lose control. So we have to kind of meditate and come back to the idea that we are in control of a lot of parts of our destiny, that there's not going to be shortages of food, that there's not going to be shortages of toilet roll. I don't think I've seen anyone, certainly in North America, go online to say, we've got a shortage of this and that and this and that. No, it's fine. There's still logistical supply chains that are domestic to the US and to Canada. So I think we'll be fine. So let's not give in to fear. Let's not panic buy. Let's not feel that we're out of control, because really, you know, we are going to self-isolate, and we're going to work from home, and if we can, and we're going to support those the best we can that are going to struggle to do those things. And you know, we're going to look out for the older generations, and really what we need now more than anything else is control, and it's confidence that we're going to get through this together.